Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here near Willow Creek, California. Oz and I welcome you to the studio. We are very happy you are here with us today. Okay, this is not the most successful painting. I am the first to admit it, but we are using the Arteza Real Brush Pens here. Now, could I have been more controlled with this? Absolutely. What happened, of course, is that I added water to see what the properties would be of the product. Real brush pens are watercolor brush pens. Here, let me show you. Again, this is another Arteza product. You can get the water brush pens though in so many different brands. You don't have to just use the Arteza products, but I do love the colors that they have. The saturation is good. You can get a nice fine point with them. It is a very, very nice product. And I used the Real Brush Pens very much so, almost exclusively on this particular layout. This was the cityscape that I did a couple of altered books ago. I'll put the link down into the comments for this particular series, this book. But all of the shading and all of the coloring on this was done with the Real Brush Pens. Again, I used it very exclusively throughout this layout. I also used the Real Brush Pens to color, where's our ancestor page? Here they are. To color these guys, to do the tinting on these images. So Real Brush Pens have a lot of really nice uses to them. This is not the most successful, but I still think it is an incredible tool and one that I would recommend. It works even in place of like your Stabilo. If you want to get just a really nice smoky line without kind of getting that dirty smudge, I would highly suggest using the Real Brush Pens in place of the Stabilo. It's a cool product, and I'm really actually looking forward to going over the top of this with some different mediums, and because look at how cool that background is. Those blues up there with that green, yellow, that's cool. We can make that work to our advantage. Okay, everybody, love you bunches. I hope you are all staying safe, and it's a crazy world out there. Try not to go too crazy. Love you. Bye.